Today's medical-centric topic is the effects of sleep deprivation on your body. We all pull the occasional all-nighter, but consistently missing sleep does more than just make you groggy. Sleep deprivation affects nearly every system in your body, from your brain to your immune system. Whether you're skimping on rest for work, school, or screen time, lack of quality sleep can lead to serious short-term and long-term health consequences. Here's how sleep deprivation impacts your body and why you shouldn't ignore it. 1. Brain and cognitive function. Slows thinking, focus, and reaction time. Impairs decision-making, memory, and concentration. Increases risk of accidents and errors. Heightens emotional reactivity, leading to mood swings, anxiety, or depression. Long-term effects may include cognitive decline and higher dementia risk. 2. Immune system suppression. Your body produces infection-fighting cells during sleep. Sleep deprivation weakens immune function, making you more vulnerable to colds, flu, and infections. Vaccines may be less effective if you're sleep deprived. 3. Hormonal imbalance. Lack of sleep disrupts hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which control hunger. Leads to increased cravings for sugar and carbs, contributing to weight gain. Reduces testosterone and other hormone levels, affecting libido and fertility. 4. Cardiovascular stress. Sleep is essential for regulating blood pressure and heart function. Sleep deprivation raises the risk of hypertension, stroke, and heart disease. It increases levels of inflammation in the body, which contributes to cardiovascular problems. 5. Blood sugar and metabolism. Reduces insulin sensitivity, increases risk of type 2 diabetes. Disrupts how your body processes glucose. May cause energy crashes and difficulty managing blood sugar throughout the day. 6. Appearance and skin health. Increases dark circles, puffiness, and dull complexion. Slows down collagen production, leading to premature aging. Chronic poor sleep can worsen skin issues like acne or eczema. 7. Mental and emotional health. Increases risk of depression, anxiety, and mood disorders. Can lead to irritability, anger, and emotional instability. Poor sleep may trigger or worsen symptoms in people with bipolar disorder or PTSD. Sleep deprivation affects far more than just your energy levels. It puts stress on your brain, body, and emotional health. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help your body function at its best. Your mind, mood, and overall well-being depend on it.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.